In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use public avatars in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to browse the public avatar library, pick the right look, and generate a video with just a few clicks. Start by heading to the HeyGen homepage and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Avatar. This opens the avatar area, and from there choose avatars to enter the full gallery. Think of this as your hub for everything avatar related. Next, choose Try a Public Avatar. Public avatars are ready-made personas created for broad use, so you can experiment without recording your own. You'll land in a searchable gallery. Use the search bar at the top to narrow things down by keywords. Try terms like tech, teacher, casual, or executive to quickly find a style that fits your project. If you prefer to browse, explore the tabs. Professional groups polished, business-friendly presenters, great for training, product demos, or corporate updates. Lifestyle leans more relaxed and approachable, ideal for human, everyday storytelling. UGC focuses on creator-style looks that feel native to social platforms and testimonials. Community showcases options contributed for wider use and discovery. Feel free to jump between these sections as you compare styles. If you want to revisit the community selections, simply click Community again to return. When a thumbnail grabs your attention, click the avatar you need to open its detail page. Here you'll often see multiple looks for the same avatar. A look is a variation, such as a different outfit, framing, background, or lighting. Click a look to preview it more closely and get a sense of its vibe. As you decide, consider your brand tone, the environment you want the avatar to appear in, and how the framing will sit in your final layout or template. Once you've found the look that fits, click Use in Video. This loads the avatar and look into the HeyGen creator so you can proceed with your project. When you're ready to produce, click Generate. HeyGen will process the video using your selected public avatar and chosen look. Rendering time can vary based on video length and current system load, so give it a moment to finish. That's the full flow. Open the avatar gallery, try public avatars, search or browse by category, pick the avatar and look you want, use it in your video, and generate. With these steps, you can quickly move from idea to on-brand visuals without recording a presenter yourself. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with public avatars in HeyGen.